Hello, and welcome to the Florida HIE Services ENS SFTP Site tutorial. Today, we will be discussing how to log in to the Florida HIE SFTP site. The Florida HIE SFTP site allows you to submit your organization's ENS patient panel or patient roster and receive your ENS notifications. It will also act as a secure way to send protected health information PHI to Florida HIE Services. To navigate to the portal, please go to the URL highlighted on your screen. This will take you to the Florida HIE ENS SFTP site login screen. Here, you will enter your login credentials. If you do not have login credentials, you can gain them by one of the two following ways: by contacting your project manager or emailing us at flhie-servicedesk@ainq.com to request credentials, or by submitting a ticket through the Florida ENS Service Desk. To gain access to the Service Desk, please watch our Logging into the ENS Service Desk portal tutorial seen here. If you are requesting credentials for the first time, you will receive an email stating that your account has been created. To finish setting up your account, please click the URL provided along with your username and password information, which will be included in the email. Once you have finished setting up your SFTP account, you will arrive at a screen that provides you access to your organization's SFTP folder. Here, you will see three folders. Inbound. This is the location of your ENS notifications. Patient panel. This is the location you will submit your patient panel or patient roster file. Please place your panel into the patient panel folder. Do not place anything in the accepted or rejected folders. Lastly, you will see a test folder. This will host your sample files or anything else being tested, which may be necessary for your account. It also is a location you can send secure PHI information. This folder is a catch-all for anything other than notifications or your patient panel. To load a file into the site, please select the folder you wish to upload a file to, and then click the green Add Files button. Select your file and upload it to the site by clicking the blue Start button. Once you are acclimated with the SFTP site's folders, please click the Account button on the upper left side and set up your security questions. These will allow you to reset your password in the event that you forget it. Without these security questions, you will not be able to reset your own password. To do this, simply click on the Security Question tabs and answer the questions from the drop-down menu. Once you answer a question, make sure to save the answer. Do this twice to have two security questions enabled. If you have any questions or need more information, please contact your project manager or the Florida ENS team at flhie-servicedesk@ainq.com or submit a ticket to the Florida Service Desk portal under the SFTP tab. Thank you for joining. We hope you have a wonderful experience with the Florida HIE Services SFTP site.